What's going on, everyone? I am back again with a new pair from the model that is on fire lately. This is a new colorway of the New Skool. The official colorway name is two-tone black purple. And as far as the fit, I go true to size on this New Skool. So you ready to unbox, lace him up, and on-feet video? Well, let's go! This colorway is currently now online and in store, but you might want to check out the store first before going in because any New Skool right now has been very popular. There are currently 10 colorways right now in the Vans site, and that's not even including the Vault version. And here they are. Now let's take a closer look at this pair because I cannot wait to show you all the purple shade on this. I mean, look at that. Wow. Oh, and one thing I noticed about buying a new pair of New Skool, there's always a tissue paper wrapped around the padded tongue. Here is a side view. And I'm sure you all know by now that the side stripe is a thicker version, and I'm trying to show you on this angle. I just love the white double stitch thread on this, and I think it adds character. And also, of course, the quality is good. So all the black colorway part of this is made out of suede. And because it's not vault, the tab at the back is the standard Vans off the wall red tab. Now let me show you the thick, overstuffed, padded tongue. Here is the inside of the shoe, and the insoles are just the regular insoles, nothing fancy, not like the comfy cush ones. But I tried this and it's actually really comfy. The linings are made out of cotton, where normally it's made out of vinyl. And the bottom is the brown waffle sole. So what do y'all think so far? Now let's find out how it's gonna look like all laced up. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that beauty. Or maybe, yeah, I'm a sucker for purple, but this pair is nice. And speaking of purple, I have a little surprise. We are gonna lace this up with some purple laces from the Potato Vans pair. So, what do y'all think? Okay, well, we are almost at the end of the video, and you all know the drill. If you like the video, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out my Instagram, Vans Dad. Oh, and don't forget to turn on the notification so that you don't miss out on more colorways of the New Skools. Now enjoy some B-roll clips, and coming up is the on-feet video. Thank you all for watching again, and see you all on the next video.